Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarati. In today's video, I'd be sharing with you guys my eyebrow routine and let's get started. So, okay, first I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Alright. Yeah, so keep in mind I did not get my eyebrows done in about a year. I remember last January when I was going to Singapore was when I got my eyebrows done, and then I did not after that because Corona happened. But yeah, the only thing I like to do in house is I kind of remove the extras that I get right here or right here, and that is it. I do not do anything else. So let's go in with the entire filling procedure. So before going into the filling procedure, I want to talk to you guys. Yeah, before going into the filling procedure, the first thing I want to talk to you guys is if you identify whether you have heavy brows or you have heavy growth or you have a light brows or light growth. So what I like to do is if you have to get your eyebrows done every month, that is when I'd say that you have a heavy growth. So that is when you can actually try removing or trimming your excess, and that's really good. I do not have like a particular shape and size. I do have a bunch of products right here. Getting into the video or filling in my brows, I want to tell you guys what I want to talk. So the thing is, my eyebrows are very bushy and heavy, so I do not need another eyebrow pencil to fill in. The only places that I need to fill in are right here and right in the front, and that is it. So for me, I don't need to go in with a specific pencil again. But if you are somebody who does not have heavy bushy eyebrows and you need to go in with a pencil, I do have two recommendations. The first one is by Benefit. You guys definitely know this. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I am in the shade 4.5. This is a beautiful pencil. I really like it. It has a very tiny nib, and you can literally put hair-like structures on it. It's really light, it's super easy, and it glides really well. So it's really easy to use this pencil because it works really good if you have a very light eyebrows. This is, however, on a pricier end. So if you are somebody who's looking for something on a budget, I have something that is below 100 bucks, and this will blow your minds off. This is the Miss Claire's waterproof eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade, I want to say 03 medium brown. It's a sharpenable pencil, and the other thing is it comes with a brush. So I really like that part. I'm going to show you guys right here how it looks. So you can put in strokes, you can put in higher pressure. These are really good. This is a beautiful pencil. Like, this is the Benefits and this is the Miss Claire's one. So you can see there is a little difference, but this is very creamy. At the same time, this does not budge as well, so you can just apply this and use a brush as well to just fill it in, and that is it. You don't need to do anything else. However, I do have another pencil with me. This is the Etude House of Drawing My Eyebrow. I don't use this, so I don't recommend this, but the only thing I use this for is a spoolie. This brush literally broke on me, so I cannot I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. This is a good eyebrow pencil, however it's a little bit chalky and thicky. This is how it looks. So I do not opt for this on a daily basis, but I really like the spoolie, so I kind of use this to brush my eyebrows. So let's get started with the eyebrow filling part, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in again. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I have my mirror right here, so I'm going to look there. So first thing is, so this is how my brows are looking. So I'm just going to brush my brows right here. And yeah. So as you can see, the only sparseness that I have in my entire brows is right here in the front. And on this side of my eyebrows, there's nothing but right here. So what I'm going to do is, just for the sake, I'm going to do two different ways. One, I'm going to do the regular way. The other one, I'm going to use a pencil just to show you guys. So I'm going to use the Benefits Precisely My Brow Pencil. And what I'm going to do is, right near the sparse area, I'm just going to go in with light strokes to fill it in. That is it. Can you guys see the difference? Instant difference. So then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the same spoolie again and just brush it so that it looks seamless and built in. That is it. And if you do want to go back in and fill it up, it's your wish how well you want to do it. But yeah, that is how easy it is to do my brows. Once I'm done with filling it up, I'm gonna go in with my brow gel. This is what I use on a daily basis. This is the Nika's Oh My Brow Pencil. This is a beautiful Oh My Brow gel. This is a really good gel. It's a beautiful gel. So what I'm gonna do is, it comes in with this kind of an applicator, and I'm gonna go in just to set my brows. And that's it. That is what I do on a daily basis. I do not touch the end of my I do not touch the tail of my brow, and yeah, and I just brush it, like I give it like 2-3 strokes. I'm just gonna give it like 1 or 2 strokes. Be very careful because this product is very pigmented, so I'm just gonna give it like a stroke like this. And that is it. That is it. I do not do it. I don't do anything else. That is it, what I like to do on this end. So can you guys see the difference between this and this? So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take the same spoolie and just brush it, because the gel is kind of wet, so I like to like brush it so that it does not clamp up somewhere. And that is it. Can you guys see the difference? It's so bold and this is not. So the next step I like to do on this end, so usually on a daily basis what I like to do is I just use this one. So I'm gonna use the brow gel, and look at the difference, you guys can see. That is it. There's nothing else. Just go in with the same spoolie again and do this. This is because I have bushy brows. That is literally how I do my brows. There's nothing very fancy or something that I do. But if you're somebody who has very sparse brows, I'm telling you guys, the benefits precisely my brow pencil is a really good investment. You can also go in with the Miss Claire's one if you are somebody. And I love the Nika's Take My Brow Gel. This is what I use on a daily basis. I don't use any pencils or something, and unless it's a very special occasion. Even then I kind of skip on it because I do have like naturally filled in brows. So I just use a brow gel to like set them, and that is it. I really like how bushy and beautiful my brows are. And yeah, that is how I do my eyebrows in the house. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family, you guys, it'll mean a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.